Hey, what's up guys, this is RapidFills here, and today I'm bringing you another trade recap. Please hit the thumbs up, comment on the video if you guys like him. I'll keep them coming. If you don't, I'll just stop. It takes a little bit of time to make a video, upload it, post it, and all that stuff. So help out. I'm trying to give you an insight how I trade, and let's get to it. So today, one of my trades was BB. Again, follow us on social media. I post all my charts on the day, every day. So follow us on Mechanic Investors and follow me, my Twitter at RapidFills right there. You can see I post my charts and whatnot. Anyways, that being said, let's get to it. Today I traded. Let's bring this in here. You can see what I traded today. BB long and short, and then NIO, XPEV long and short. So that being said, so what I was trading today was BB at the beginning of the day, and literally what I was looking for is the break of this trend line. So it started breaking the trend line pre-market. So came down and then it popped up, got short, started covering, and then I noticed that I covered more than I have. Towards this level right here. So when I covered more than I have, I had ended up selling the bottom, literally the rest of the shares. It was a small position, obviously. I think it was like 5 or so, $5 loss or something. Anyways, and then what I saw is the topping right here at this level where it topped off at the pre-market, and then I saw this huge engulfing washout. So I shorted right here towards the VWAP with the room to add on the pop. It popped, I added, came back to support, took some, and then I had to stop out on the rest of the position. So I was still watching the stock. It popped out. Now it broke 8, and it's gonna go whatever's gonna go until it tops off again. So what I saw is this consolidation of the pre-market where it topped off again at 840. So when I saw that, and you can see a huge volume right here ramping up, and it can't go anywhere. So where is it gonna go if it can't go up? It's gonna go down. So what I did is I shorted, and then I took some off as it whipped down towards the support level, and then it came right back down, back up. So I took some off just to have room to add towards that resistance. That did not happen. It just washed again. I had to obviously add. This is not the best add, but I had to add when it broke the support level, and just to see it wash, took some profits around the 8, and then it came back down again. I did it again. I shorted when it broke the support, but I left room to add on the pop. So I shorted right here, added to my position, and then I started covering towards the support, covering again towards this support right here. So you can see this will be even clearer. So this is the support right here. So you can see how it bounced, and then support and then resistance, then bounced off of it again. So I covered around that 770 just to stop me out, just to see at the end of the day, literally did what it did yesterday. Came back to the backside, tested that head and shoulders, and then came all the way down. And then what I saw on it right here at the end of the day, let's see if we can make this bigger. Here we go. So what I saw is this thing is downtrending, and then I saw huge volume coming up. When I saw huge volume, it's 330. Most likely people are covering their positions. So I go long, and then I add to my position, and I start scalping that position all the way up. So that was a nice trade on BB. And then the next stock was NIO. NIO took a couple scalps, nothing big. Shorted right here at the break of the trend line. My lines are all over the place, so don't. Remove all lines somewhere. Here we go. So what I saw is literally this thing was hitting his head around this area right here. So I was hitting his head right here, couldn't go anywhere. I took a scalp, and then I saw the whipping sell off, literally sold off and then bought back up. When you see something like this, usually it's a reversal. So what I did is I covered some at the support, and then it came back up and it just stopped me at break even. Did it again right here, short it, and then I covered, and then it break even again. So those are the two. These are the two scalps short on NIO, and then the rest was XPEV. So XPEV, again, it's almost the same thing. Popped up, sold into it. I mean, you can see this thing is trending down, right? So it whipped up, and then it came right back down. When it came back right down, I shorted, took profits, and took profits all the way down at the 46.22 from 47.22. So that's a buck. And then what I saw is turning around, and then it started cracking that VWAP. I enter, and then it kind of retested, and I re-enter again, and I start taking profits. So I got in around 47.50 average, and I took profits all the way up to 49.50s right here. As of this resistance right here from pre-market, this thing just continued, did not care about where I sold, and it just went all the way to 56. So that's 10 buck move on XPEV. Actually, I'm looking at it now. It's like, what? I left. Talking about leaving money on the table, right? I literally called this in the chat. If you were in chat, you've probably seen it. I posted the chart with XPEV right there. Let's see. Can I get it over? Here we go. So you can see I posted the chart right here with the lines, and then I asked if anyone took the break. Nobody took the break at this point. It was like a buck in the money. In the morning, I alerted. Obviously, you can see here I'm explaining my trades, my ads, and whatnot, and what I say in the chat, showing people all the stuff. Come and join us in Discord. It's fun. It's a good, diverse community. We trade low floats. We trade big caps, mid caps, experienced trader like our moderators and whatnot, and Dennis, stock operator. He's on the screen share every day. So come and join us, and leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, let us know how we're doing, let us know what kind of videos you guys want to watch, and I'll see you at the next one, guys.